We have a very cool original 1972 CB750k that is mildly restored. Has a nice reproduction seat, charging system upgrade, powder coated frame, chain guards. The bike is pretty clean. You can tell a lot of work has been through it already. This is one of the early, has one of the early RC 900cc overboard kits. Customer had complaints about running bad and intermittent fuel cuts or choking feeling. The bike already has electronic ignition, but we were thinking maybe carburetors is the problem. And Alex over here opened up the carburetors. He was inspecting and checking. You know, Alex is pretty good with these cars by now. He has more than 25 years under his belt. CB750 is like his, now he's an expert on CB750s, right?
Yeah.
You can tell?
Yeah, I like it.
This is one of his favorite style of bikes. Original, like, restored. Really high quality parts all around. But show them what's going on with the carbs and why do you think this bike was having issues running properly?
Yeah, these people weld inside. These people weld inside and re-drill it. I never see in this country this work. I see maybe 25, 26 years ago. This is very old school.
So they you mean they soldered it?
Yeah, inside.
So guys, check it out. This is one of the main jet holders, right? On the original 750 carbs.
Yeah.
And they have, if you look at it, you can tell where there's like a grayish area. This is the solder. So it could look like, to you, it could look like old ethanol inside built up, but actually you can tell it's drilled on the top as well in this area, and it's round profile, and we see this in all of them. Give me the other ones too, Alex. There you go. This is where they drilled it, right, Alex?
Same, yeah.
So this is a very old school way of doing, right?
Yeah. 30, 35, 38 years ago.
And these are, you know, these kind of mods will never make these bikes run well. We always use good quality jets. If we can, we use cane jets. Alex is always, you know, we stack up mid sizes as well. You know, whenever Alex is building up these carbs, he always uses the mid sizes as well to check if the bike is running well.
Maybe.
And you actually spot that.
Maybe next time I put 142.
Yeah, maybe. And you actually spot this also in the spark plugs. You know, the spark plugs are all wet. You can see it's so gunked up, and when you smell it, it's not oil, it's all gas. In all of these you have your gas. So, you know, you can see a lot of money can spent on a bike. You would think that something so simple they would have taken care of. Yeah, we use these jets. This is the right way to do it. You know, you have a large selection of jets, and then they're not drilled. They're precisely drilled from the factory, and we will be using these instead. There you go. That's the way to do it, guys. Use proper tools, use proper equipment, proper parts, and, you know, protect your investments.